olwaleero omusinga w'obusinga bwa Lwenzululu Mumbere Wesley Mangoma Charles asisinkanye ebikumi n'ebikumi bya bannamawulire abagakolera ku mukutu ogwa TikTok mu lubiri lw'e Kasese n'abalabula ku lulimi lwe bakozesa mu bubaka bwe bayisa ku mikutu gyabwe. Ono agamba nti balina okusiima obukulembeze bwa Pulezidenti Museveni olw'eddembe lyabawa nti lye batayinza kusanga mu mawanga malala.
President Museveni kuliye nabikire TikTok yero binacho niba kama watu aba president aba kabika social media semingesho esika kumchama tumatsono se tigiri nabe mutunanga wo bas nego nokoka yakutanya ensumu yawo kubana latayo ndekinde muno wa parliament muno wa sali yawo kubana latayo ndekinde nasi muri different political parties ko kumwende mukabya kubona presenting ayo muri yo eywen so muri musere murandere ya muri ko ajya mahiwe kati nabe ko kumtamu ambangu yo so kumtamu
Kyala wo Mumbere Itungu Agnes Nyabagole bana basimye olw'okulanga obwa Lwenzululu n'okulaga ensi ebirungi ebiri mu businga.
Rwenzori kandi Kasese tunasi kunuli suli kulo eri etwalize mu mpanga lyetu lya Uganda. I believe you can market businga bwa Lwenzululu erikolesa ekintu ekya tourism and it will sound so powerful. Lukasangana ekiwu kyose ikwekyabire tulangera. This is because of you. Masinja kutsibu, thank you for marketing OBR worldwide. Thank you God bless you. Mwatu wati cha kutsibu, even when you are not here with you, congratulate you. Your tribe, we felt we are so close with you and we really celebrated. In whatever situation we are going through, but we are so happy that
omwogezi w'obusinga Geoffrey Kanyonyi agambye nti kye baliko kwe kukyusa erinnya ery'abakonjo balisikize eryabayira nti olw'amakulu agatali malungi kye lirina n'asaba ba TikTok bano okubayambako mu kusaasaanya enjiri eno.
The Bakonzo and Banande perform the same rituals and have the same customs and norms. So today the king has given a task to the HR, the House of Representatives, to sit and make a resolution and present it to the table of the Speaker of Parliament to see that this issue is resolved, because since 1953, while the late Isaiah Muchirani was making his life history about the Bakonzo, it was found out that we are Waira. Now, as a kingdom, we are going to have that House of Representatives to make a resolution and we follow the law.
Ate ye ssentebe w'aba TikTok e Kasese asanyukidde ekyokusisinkana omusinga n'ategeeza nti bakukyusaamu we babadde tebakola bulungi.
Some segregates us, others question our intentions, the perceptions surrounding TikTokers. Yet, Your Majesty, we stand firm because we know who we are. We are not defined by stereotypes. We are defined by service. We also acknowledge that within the digital space, not all content reflects the values of our people. Some individuals misuse platforms to spread harm or abusive messages.
Ba TikTok abalala abadde mu nsisinkano eno betwogeddeko nabo baliko bye boogedde.
To get away from violence and to do developmental things, and we promise you and we promise him that we are going to promote and to get away from violence and use TikTok responsibly and for developmental and economic development through our organization.
Nine ribati tulibayira council abakonzo amatubira ati ekinywa abakonzo kilira omukanywa aka mugonjo ekikama insaya omulwere dera fa mambo mukonzo bakabenga bamakutuma dera fa ukabenga olwere so tupromotinga chira achata toto muka mama towera. Today